In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove SD card from phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, the most important part of removing an SD card from your Android phone is the software eject step. So simply putting the tray out while the phone is on can lead to ghost files or permanent data corruption. So before you touch the physical tray, you got to tell the system to stop reading and writing to the card. So what we're going to do is go over to the settings application, and then once you're here, go over and find device care. So we're going to go over to that right now. Now, once you're in device care, go ahead and tap on storage. Once you are in storage, go ahead and swipe to the side or tap the SD card icon wherever you see it. Now, once you press the SD card icon, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and then from there, select unmount or eject. And if you don't see that, let's say if you're using like a hard drive or anything like that, swipe down on the top left of your screen. It's going to say USB storage added. Go ahead and press that, and you're going to see the unmount button right there as well. So yeah, you have two different options, and yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.